You often highlight the importance of Bach. In fact, so many of your guests.
Every famous songwriter is influenced by Bach. They are the greatest composer of all time, the greatest musician of all time.
Even Sting and Dominic Miller said they go to Bach even for like practice.
Every day. People talk about Bach was not known other than in his places he lived. Eisenach, he was born in Leipzig. He spent many years. But Bach was known to great musicians. It was difficult to find manuscripts, but there was a premiere of the St. Matthew Passion that Mendelssohn had done in 1829. It was on March 11th, I believe. He had a manuscript because his father and mother collected manuscripts, and he got a manuscript of this piece. And I think he was 20 years old, and they had a performance of it in Berlin. And Beethoven, Mozart, they studied the Well-Tempered Clavier, the two books of the Well-Tempered Clavier. But Bach wrote profoundly beautiful music and some of the most complex contrapuntal music that I don't think anyone has ever done like that. Extremely bright guy, had 20 kids, 10 of them, only 10 survived till adulthood. Lost both his parents when he was 9, within 9 months of each other. Went to live with an older brother.
Extremely productive.
Yes.
I saw. I think from all the music teachers I've ever had, I understood the importance of studying Bach.
He didn't write Master of Puppets, but he wrote some great, powerful music.
Well put.